Extracting zip file in Hostinger is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. First of all, open hostinger.com in Google Chrome. Hostinger will look like this. See how wide website is. Go to login. Enter your valid email and password to login. Wait a minute. There is loading. So website is logged properly. Hostinger has many pages like home, website, hosting, emails, domains, VPS, etc. Here we can make websites in WordPress, earn free hosting. Create many emails here. First one is free. After this you can create email after paying Hostinger plan. Click on hosting page. Go down. Here is the sargatatime.com open. Move the cursor to manage button. A dashboard will appear about sargatatime.com. Next click on file manager button. Next page will appear. This page has all our files, setting and other more option. Click on the upload button on upper right corner. Select a file or folder from your laptop or PC to upload the file here. You can see that I have already uploaded files here and extracted. Click the file you upload here. A pop-up menu will appear with many options. You have to select extract option. After this you can move it to the any folder. Here I move it to Adobe folder. In this way a zip file can extract in Hostinger.